Hey, back it out west. On my car, get hit with the K-round. With my niggas, we pull up with choppers. Call up the morgue, no need for no doctor. Get a location, we pop out and drop. That boy sleeping hollow now, we left on top. Before I leave the house, I'm loading my couch. Make sure the whole thing full and I cock. We found out you're sweet, then we shaking your pocket.
Honestly, sometimes I'm glad that the mic doesn't catch what you say.
What? You call me vaping.
What are you having for lunch?
A little piece of mango for lunch? No, get away from me.
Excuse me? What's for lunch? No, this is my microphone. Can you say, you realize you gotta say things that can go on camera, right?
Oh, right, yeah, we can't. Right, that's right, yeah. No.
Hey, what do we got going on here?
Doing, what is this, Sportsman 99 and baskets on the new build that just got fired. A few days ago it was like running and driving, and like now it's not. But hopefully we get this thing probably stabbed in tomorrow morning, because next is that one. So not that one. It's a down more.
Oh.
That's gonna go in there.
So what does that mean exactly? Whose car is it?
I think it's a famous guy. I don't know, I just really like the car.
Strad Dad.
Yeah.
Straddy Daddy.
It's our dad. We're gonna put that back in there probably in like the next hour. And then we'll stab the trans on, put the kit on. So I want to show you something real quick while you got a camera.
What do we got going on here?
So this is, I was gonna put this in, let me keep this out for a second. So there's a second gear dilemma with these transes, but the cool part is usually whenever we have like an issue with the second gear, is you can actually see it. It's right here. It's that guy in there. And if you push his synchro back, you can actually put your finger on what is most common to break on these things, which is the stock gear right here. This ring, usually because it's pressed on, they'll like shatter, which sucks. But you can actually check them within like, I don't know, I probably had this pump out in like 15 minutes, maybe.
So it was just like super easy?
Super simple, just to kind of stick your finger in there and check and make sure they're okay.
Gotcha.
If you ever run into like a trans issue with these things, because these things have their weird quirks like anything else does, you know? But that's probably the main issue with this trans, is people break seconds a lot, just because they're, usually you'll shear the teeth off the gear. And then whenever you go to like an aftermarket billet second, which not ours, because ours is one piece, but if you go to a different company second gear, usually they'll have the billet piece being the outer ring, and then this is still the factory, so you end up shattering these. But just a neat little thing I wanted to show you. Macho promotion.
Oh, the second gear.
Yeah, I just want to.
Oh, the second gear.
Informational.
The junk second gears that are taking 1500 horsepower hits.
Yeah.
Multiple times on this.
Yeah, this one. That we make in-house, you know.
So let's see. What we got here? Explain to me. Explain to the people.
Your big difference is like this, it's just the synchro, so the dogtooth synchro, because since these are pressed on, we make them one piece. So, I mean, you got to imagine when that synchro slides, that it slides and catches the gear to actually grab this gear, that's the first thing that catches any sort of like actual resistance, is this tooth. So for some reason, a lot of people have been doing this same style instead of making them out of one piece, but we now produce a one-piece gear. So if you need a billet second, this is the one to buy.
This is the only time you're ever going to be on the vlog. Johnny boy, come back here.
Making tips.
Damn, look at that. I'm looking at that. Yeah. So you're making tips for 2017 what?
Audi R8.
Okay.
That specific.
This one right here? All right, so this is what? This is a functional tip right now?
Yeah.
To show the people, the viewers, what it looks like?
Ready to...
But you're starting from scratch and you're making one...
That's what all those pieces are.
Okay, you're making a set from all that right there.
Yep.
All right, perfect. Well, thank you for letting them know, because this is big business. All right, you got 2 cents. Why?
I was outside.
Failed it. What do you do here?
I do sales and marketing. I'll answer your DMs.
He'll answer your DMs. We're gonna try again. Jose, what do you do here?
I do sales and marketing.
Okay, and where do they reach you at? What is the company that you do sales and marketing for?
What company do you work for?
B-Rogue Built and
B-Rogue
Rogue
Built.
Wheels. Okay, so at Rogue Wheels Distribution, at B-Rogue Built, these are the two ways that you can reach us. And if you shoot a DM with interest on wheels or anything that we sell, this is your guy. Fluent in Spanish and English.
A little bit of English.
This guy's a catch. DM him, like he
A little bit
said.
of English.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, while you're watching, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. As our B-Rogue Built family is growing, we want you guys to be a part of it. We want you guys to see all the awesome, fun, crazy things that we're doing here. It's only going up. We're only getting better. Now back to your regular scheduled program.
So far. Are you trying to?
It's recording.
It is recording?
It's recording. I stole the camera, Luke. I'm sorry. We're vlogging right now. I think we're vlogging. I mean, the timer is like going.
Is the timer going? Yeah, I think it's recording. Yeah, so we don't know how to work the camera, but we're gonna try.
Shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring ring pussy, it's shut down. Hey. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show sitting in the front row in a black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy better know when it's shut down. Yeah, take time if a man want try me. No time. Usain Bolt when I run up on stage, I pick up the mic and it's reload time. Don't know your songs but they know mine. That's why I got gigs just like Joe Grind. After the show I'll be rolling mine. Don't care about the no smoking sign. They tried to steal my vision. This ain't a culture, it's my religion.
Those clips that you just saw from the past day of this thing going in was September 22nd. Today's September 23rd. And we are still rolling. This car's coming together. It's gonna be sick. There's gonna be a turbo kit right here. Like, I don't think you guys understand how insane this is gonna be. Gated. Oh my god. 1,300 horsepower. Oh my god. What's going on, bro? You finishing up these tips?
Yes, sir.
Alright, well, let's get some welding clips.
All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice.
600? Isn't it
Isn't
crazy that 600 is slow now?
600 is dog slow.
Very slow. I still love the NA car, alright? Leave it alone.
The moment he said 600, I knew you were going to defend the NA car.
Listen,
Look,
the NA car is still fire. The fact that we can make an NA car that boogies.
it does go. It's a really fun car. It's perfect for someone who wants to get started.
Check it out. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Uh-oh.
Wait a minute.
Hey, this is your moment.
Yeah,
Don't pull a Jose.
Look at that. How you doing?
Well, yeah, that's
68 pounds and it sounds like
You can curl 68 pounds?
no. This is like 8 pounds.
Damn, I was gonna
68
say.
pound savings. Sorry. That would be hard though.
I'm just trying to get your mind right. You gotta talk about the facts, my boy.
Facts is that's fucking beautiful. I gotta clean it now. I touched it.
Yeah, you
God,
touched it. No, but the NA car is like the perfect car for someone who's like doesn't want to spend $40,000.
What's the
But
ticket?
also,
Like 16, right?
for the NA exhaust?
Yeah.
No, I think we offer it for 7 or 8.
It's 11 with tuning because the exhaust is like 7.
Is it 11 with 2? Yeah, so that's still not terrible. I mean, to spend these cars make about 500 wheel. To just put an exhaust on and immediately jump up that far, and it also sounds the way it sounds, pretty fantastic. And they're super easy to install. I mean, it took us, what, 2 to 3 hours to install that one on the other car? We've done 2 or 3 of them now here.
Yeah.
Like with this, the newer exhaust. But
We off the grid, this for my kid. For my kids, have kids. Everything we did for the crib, everything we did, how we live, all this smoke.
Mango, shop manager, what do we got going on right now?
saying bye to Strad's Ferrari. As much as I love it, it has to go home.
Brought my life out the trench. God, thank God, look what he did. We off the grid. We off the grid. I'm off the grid. Got tats on my ribs. Tattoos on my